What's up, everybody? Out here sitting over this triticale field in this bottom, and we're gonna see if we can get us a deer tonight. It's been a pretty rough week. I haven't had a lot of time to go hunting just because of work, so gonna sit out here and hopefully something comes in. We can get it done. So hang tight. We'll see what happens. Well, I just had a doe and a little spike come out, and I was gonna shoot the doe, but I didn't have a clear shot. There was some brush in the way, and she was looking right at me, so I couldn't really move. And then when the spike came out, I was hoping it was another doe, but I just hate to shoot a spike, especially when I got a little bit more time. So hopefully another doe comes out, or a bigger buck. But we're just gonna hang out, see what else comes out. Well, unfortunately, I didn't film it, I don't believe, but we got one down out there. So let's go up there, check it out. I will be the first to admit, this is as far from a trophy hunt as possible, I believe. Not very big at all, just like probably this year's, to be honest. So I was actually, it looked bigger in the scope. I think everybody in the world says that, but really did to me. So I'll show you here. Like I said, this year's little doe, but not in it for the trophy. But I'll get her taken care of, and I'll have some meat this winter. Well, everybody, it's the next day. Came home, did all the dirty work on that little doe, and she currently resides in the cooler there. So we're gonna spend today working her up, finishing that process. Then I'm gonna try to hurry up and get out, maybe get some traps in the ground. Now that I've got at least one deer, feeling pretty confident. I may go out, try and hunt a little bit more for some deer. I got a boatload of tags that I could film.
Got archery tags, got rifle tags still, and I even have a fairly highly coveted managed hunt for here in Missouri. Uh, don't know if I'll ever actually video that. I'd like to. I just don't know what the legalities and regulations on that are. Uh, Definitely probably something I'll check back. If something goes good on that managed hunt, why I'll check back with everybody, give you an update on that. But it's pretty coveted spot. I think last year, whenever they had it, it was like a 1% chance of drawing that hunt. So pretty excited about that. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for fumbling the ball on the most important part of the video. But I'm glad to bring you along, show you a little bit what happened before. That doe pretty much just followed the same path that little buck did. She got out there, she stopped, and the rest is history. So with that, I'll leave you. I may drop another video today, just a short one, kind of give you another little trapping update. From here on, I'm going to be looking at some trapping. So stay tuned.